Thunderstorm inbound. You may be able to hear thunder. This is a very active storm. You might not be pointing in the right direction now. Over. The storm's behind us, so it's pretty dark over there, but that's not where the storm is. So. Looks like this day won't end in vain, bro. Shall we go behind? It's like almost blue in there, isn't it? It's not green, not even close. Because it's dark, you won't really miss this storm. We'll see flashes a lot easier. Why is it looking so dark in front of us? It's getting really dark now. Yeah, it's almost blue in there. We're not in the proper storm yet though. Hear thunder again. It's getting really dark now. I don't know if we're even pointing in the right direction at all. Oh. I don't think I am. I think it's behind us, it's not in front of us. We may miss flashes, yeah. I'm gonna check and move behind us, alright? Hope I don't miss something. I'm not gonna miss this. Alright, we're outside now. This is where the storm's coming from. If I'm not mistaken. It's definitely raining now. The storm's not here yet. It will be eventually though. Most lightning hasn't reached us yet. Yeah, thunder. The storm probably won't be as active as it was before, but it's still a storm now, yeah. Oh, where was that? I don't know if I caught that. Am I in the right area? I have no idea. I swear to God we are. I don't know if I'm in the right area now. I think I should go behind me, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna move. It's not working. Oh, we missed a close one there, boys.